Wagwan viewers and subscribers. I don't know your boy Rush, and today we'll be preparing our national dish, Ackee and Saltfish. So you want to tune in for this. So as is customary on the channel, you don't know we have to have Trudy a vibe with it in the background. Trudy, Wagwan.
Hey guys, what's up everybody?
Yeah, man. So you don't know, me know so you're ready for the meal of today, you know, you're hyped up for it. Done?
Yes, I'm long awaiting this Ackee and Saltfish video.
Yeah man, Ackee and Saltfish, I don't know, national dish. Yeah.
Yeah, so before you get started though, let us just talk about the Ackee before we continue.
Yeah man, so you want a backstory or preparation or episode?
You know, as usual, let's we'll vibe with the audience before we get.
Yeah man, so alright, so we could get into the whole Ackee thing now. So if you're living abroad, right, and a lot of my subscribers live in America, Canada, England, those places, right, you would get Ackee in the tin. But you don't know if you come from Jamaica and some parts of the Caribbean, you can just jump up in a tree and pick some Ackee as long as it's in season. You don't know already and thing. And you don't know, most importantly, a lot of persons fear Ackee, especially overseas, because what they hear in the media about poisonous and stuff like that.
Right, so
Yeah,
I was
man.
about to ask you, because I saw a video circulating online not too long ago about with a guy that was consuming raw
Ackee. Yeah, then you can't eat it raw. Me try it.
I've never, no.
Yeah man, you can try it man. And me still stand up here so healthy and strong, see, no running belly, no head not hurt, no part of my hand no drop off, nothing. So nothing wrong with it. It's
I
just
was always told that the raw Ackee is poisonous and you must always ensure that you cook it properly before you eat it. But when
yes,
people eating raw Ackee,
I think the most important part of it is to get the mature Ackee. Right? As long as
it's fully open then.
Fully open, to let out that hyperglycine gas that is inside. That is the poisonous part of the Ackee people. And for my subscribers who are living overseas, who live overseas, right? That is most important to know. So if anybody telling us, yeah man, Ackee poisonous and don't eat it, trust me, get the facts first and then you can cast your judgment. But Ackee is just as dangerous as most other foods. I don't know, eat them same way. So yeah, Ackee good man, national dish.
Okay. So with Ackee and Saltfish being a national dish, I know that there's a lot of other things that you can consume Ackee with.
Yeah.
Right? What are some examples of some other foods that you can prepare with Ackee?
Well, Ackee and corn pork, which is nice. Ackee and red herring, look out for the video there. Ackee and chicken back. Yes.
Chicken back.
Yes. Yeah, chicken back done.
Yeah man, I've had it before. I actually eat Ackee and chicken back already and it's nice.
Yeah man, it's nice man, because I tried it one long time ago and trust me, when you cook it down and with the Ackee inside, it gives you a unique taste. Yeah man.
Ackee seasoned rice.
Ackee seasoned rice as well.
Ackee punch.
A bag of things man.
Ackee
So
porridge.
just I'm telling you from now, since we're on the topic of Ackee products, we have a lot of Ackee recipes coming and some of them is a shocker. So you want to look out for the one there. A lot of them man. So as long as Ackee is in season, we have a lot of Ackee videos coming out. Yeah man.
Alright, well I'm excited to see everything. And as usual, I'm hungry.
As usual.
Hurry up and done cook.
Yeah, we're hungry man. But that's why we're going to hurry up and finish the video. Right?
Yeah, quick and easy.
Quick and easy. So I could get into the whole preparation phase and I'm going to move transition from stage to stage and you will understand why, right? So we have the saltfish over here so in the bowl, right? And how we prepare our saltfish now, we wash it first to get off most of the salt that is on it. Most persons, or a lot of persons I should say, boil them saltfish like 2-3 times. That's not necessary.
Why?
Them say they want to get off the excess salt.
Okay.
But let me tell you, this method that you're gonna see on Rushie's Kitchen is gonna debunk all of those myths. Alright? So how we prepare my saltfish now? Wash it under some running water, get off most of the salt crystals and stuff off of it, right? You wanna put that inside the pot with, you know, as much water as possible. Because more water you use, that dilutes the salt even more.
So the saltfish must be completely submerged.
Yeah man, completely submerged, enough water so you know say all of the salt are gonna just boil out. And if indeed some of the water boil out and you taste it and you taste the saltness, you can even add more water. But to take it off the fire and boil it again and throw off that water and boil it, nah.
That's
I'm not going to show that. No, but never ever prepare my saltfish like that.
Okay.
Yeah man. So your saltfish boil and you have it cool and everything. What you want to do is clean it up, take out the bones and stuff, and you know break it up in small pieces. Yeah man, as well you can see in the bowl right now.
Okay.
Alright. So my style of preparing the ackee now, and as you can see, the ackee is boiled already and everything. How me do my ackee now? So you don't know, you want to remove the seeds and everything. You want to remove the little pink petals that is inside the ackee, right? And a lot of persons them afraid of that because them say it's poisonous, you know. So most persons tend to clean it up properly, which is important, I should say, to clean up your ackee and take out the seeds and stuff. What you want to do after that now is just give it a wash. Me normally boil my ackee in the same water that the saltfish boil in, right? Why me do that is because I want to preserve the little flavor from the saltfish. So just one pot, boil it same time, strain it, and then I have that afterwards cool and nice as we can see in front of me. Alright?
And it doesn't take long to boil.
No,
right?
ackee don't take, as a matter of fact, you have a softer version with them called butter ackee. That ackee is just like you just put it in the hot water and take it out.
5 minutes it's done.
Yeah, I mean, I love the one still. But when you want to boil the ackee, you want to make sure so it's not soft and saggy, just tender and alright. Just like when you're boiling your spaghetti and you don't know enough, boil it, make it soft, you just tender. That's how you want your ackee to be firm and tender, you know? Yeah man, so we have in the middle right here, so
a lot of colorful
yeah
seasoning.
man, every color you can think of. Red, green, and gold. And I purposely do it the way because I love my pot full of color, full of life and energy. Alright? So let me start from this end now, which is I have thyme over here. So. Alright? So I have my scallion and thing chopped all nice and good right here. Over here now, tomatoes. Yeah man? I love my tomato in my dishes. Over here we have a purple onions. Nice cut of rings.
You don't have to use purple onions, right?
No man, you can, but that purple onions have a lot of flavor. So that's why I go with the purple onions. Scotch bonnet pepper, right?
Hot pepper.
Yeah. And if you don't like the whole pepper thing, some people afraid of the pepper, don't have to go with the pepper. You can just leave that out. Pimentos, otherwise known as, well, allspice, otherwise known as pimentos. Jamaicans call it pimentos, and we love that in my dishes.
Do you crush the pimentos or you just put it in whole?
Sometimes, because the flavor will come out the same way. As heat take it and everything and it cooks, flavor will come out just the same. Alright? We have some garlic right here. You know? Not much, but maybe just a peg will do for persons who love the garlic. We chopped sweet peppers of all color, red, green and gold. See it? Yeah man. And that's all nice. Yeah man, so now we introduce all of the ingredients them and thing. You know, we're ready for cook up a star now and just show now how it's done. So
we add everything to the pot now.
Yeah man, everything in our pot that is behind me right there. So now I want transition to my kitchen to show now up close and personal how we do it. You see it? Alright guys, so we add the oil to the pot and it's preheated and everything already. So all we have to do now is just add the seasoning, which we don't mix up and thing in our bowl to just get a proper mixture and everything already. So we just add this Scotch bonnet, everything, sweet pepper, everything, onions, everything. I'll just give that a gentle cook and some medium heat. And nothing smells better than
when seasoning a cook up
I tell you. Yeah man, so we just allow that to, you know, cook up a bit. After which we just add our saltfish. So you just allow this to cook up somewhat to release those many flavors that are trapped. That's all.
Chop, chop,
yeah, well,
chop,
chop, chop, chop, chop, chop. Yeah. So now that is cooked a bit.
And the seasoning don't take long to cook.
No? So you don't want to get them too crispy. Because if they are burnt in that case. So now we have the saltfish right also. And we add that to the pot. And this is, you know, a good blend, a good mixture of saltfish and
the
seasoning that
color
we have.
is coming right through.
Yeah man. And the smell pop out as well. So we have thyme. We are gonna just spread this across. Right? So as we go along with it, realize that the oil in the pot is not adequate, and if you find so, we need some more. This is a non-stick pot still, so we won't have anything sticking as much to the bottom of the pot. Yeah man, so thing coming alive now. So just allow that to fry up some more and get that flavor popping. What I'm gonna do now is add my ackee. Come through ackee. Yeah man. So I'll just give this a proper stir to make sure so everything blend up nice. So you know some persons love their ackee crushed.
You know, I was just thinking that.
Yeah man.
I was literally just thinking that I don't like when my ackee too soft.
No man. Ackee fi have some amount of firmness to it. So now we add all of the ingredients but one. So what I'm going to do now is add some black pepper to this.
My secret ingredient, that.
Secret ingredient. So we have to make it stay for the last. Yeah man.
What's your favorite thing to eat ackee and saltfish with?
Roast breadfruit.
Roast breadfruit?
Yeah man. Rice and peas too.
My preference is either boiled food or fried dumpling.
Fried dumplings. Well,
people eat ackee and saltfish with rice and peas?
of course.
You alone.
That nice.
You alone.
That is nice. Well, even if it... No, I'm not me alone. You have enough persons love that. Right now, I'm gonna eat some.
Oh, sir. Fried dumpling, piece of plantain, ackee and saltfish, and some nice hot chocolate tea. I'm good for the whole day.
Yeah, well said.
Well said.
Yeah, man, so people wanna see for themselves what the pot nice and colors pretty.
I eat that.
Yeah, man.
Share my food now, please. I'm ready for me.
You gotta wait, boy, you know.
I'm ready for my food.
You gotta wait, boy, yeah. Yeah, man, so ideally you just want to give this like about 5 minutes or so. As I said before, low to medium heat. So we just allow this to just go on, you know, simmer down a bit.
Put it on extremely low flame.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so this is the final thing.
Food ready.
Food ready, pot lawn. Pot lawn. Alright, so now that you see.
See my plate here over here, so just share up my food.
Yeah, it's the cartoon that we truly eat right now. It's not?
Just share up my food.
Yeah, man, so now we'll just plate it out nice and easy like this. Nice serving at dinner. Ackee and saltfish.
Dumpling and yam and
boiled
banana.
food. Look at that.
Yeah.
And I have to tell you, you see, what she did over there, so well, I anticipate the pot. She can't wait. Yeah, man. So you see it? I don't wish to have this plate in our hand right now, you know. But yo, go and study my bill, man, the 1 hours. Alright? Yeah, man. Blessed is the man who have a plate like this in him hand. And a woman too. Yo, so right now.
You know, say I know your plate. That's my plate. If I your plate, it was a 6 dumpling, 4 piece of yam, 2.
You know, I've been telling people that some so greedy, you know. Anybody have to tell them that.
Look here, I don't know which part to put dumpling when man eat dumpling. 6 and 7 and 12 dumpling in a pack. Why?
And 2 in a hand, 2 in a foot.
Why? Why would I eat so much dumpling?
But anyway,
yeah.
You don't know, we have now a plate so them 2 cartwheel, yeah. You understand? Nice slice of yellow yam, yeah. And the 2-finger banana, yeah. And we have a national dish over here, so the ackee. Yeah, man.
Fish.
I'm gonna tell you this nice right now. I'm gonna just mash up piece. I'm gonna see on camera. Say,
Yeah, man.
Butter. I tell you this nice right now. As the video done, as the red button pressed on the video there. Me in the plate right now. Yeah, man. So now that we finish the video and thing, and we wrap up. I want to just like the videos them, man, and share up the videos them. You understand? Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because as I always tell you, know, great content's coming and you don't want to miss out. That's why I'm always encouraging you, you know, click the notification bell so as a video drop or anything posted, you can be abreast of everybody else and receive a notification.
Click the bell, guys.
Cling, cling, cling. Till you know already. So yo, show them what you have to say right now.
Yeah, man, the most important thing that I wanted to bring across is that persons are not clicking the bell.
Yeah.
People ask me how much in time. I don't send out no video there and the video post long time.
Yeah, man. So
I don't even click the bell so that you can
need
see.
to click the bell,
yeah.
man. Yeah, understand?
Video them post, man. Every week we post a video.
Yeah, so that's all from us at RUSHIE'S Kitchen. And you can also follow us on our social media networks as well. Instagram and TikTok. Remember that. Alright. RUSHIE'S Kitchen there. with a close out, cartwheel in a plate, banana, yam, ackee and saltfish. You can't get no better than this. Rushie's Kitchen there with Trudy signing out. We're going.
Bye guys.